This video will walk you through the initial settings for the OrderStorm WordPress e-commerce shopping cart. With OrderStorm e-commerce, you can use any currency, set up multiple payment options, and customize your checkout terms. Once your initial settings are entered and configured, you will rarely change them and can focus on selling. To begin, log in at OrderStorm.com. From the Settings menu, select Storefront Settings. On the Store Contact tab, enter your company information. This information will be used throughout the site, so be thorough and fill in everything. On the Global tab, select your desired currency from the drop-down menu. On the Product page and Category page tabs, you can go through each item and either customize or keep the defaults. We encourage you to change both the names and permalinks in WordPress for the OrderStorm e-commerce product and category pages to use your own keywords for better SEO. If you change the permalinks in WordPress for these pages, please enter the new slugs or permalinks here as well. Note that you must select Custom Structure for permalinks in WordPress for these pretty permalinks to work. This is what we recommend for the custom structure. You can pause the video if you want to copy this down. Continue through each item on the Product page tab and change the defaults to whatever you prefer. For example, you could change the item number label to say part number. You could change retail price to MSRP, the sell price label to today's low price, and so on down the page. OrderStorm e-commerce is integrated with the Google XML Sitemaps plugin to make sure your categories and products get indexed properly. Configure the settings for sitemap priority and frequency here. Priority is how important a page is, and frequency is how often the page is changed. As you mouse over the fields, you'll see text pop-ups to help you understand how to fill in each field. On many pages, you'll also see blue boxes called How This Works that contain information on how to use those pages. When these pop-ups and blue boxes get in your way, you can turn the help off. When you need it again, turn the help back on. Next, we'll go to the Payment Options page. First, select the payment types you will accept and then configure them. Next to the payment type under Active, select Yes. Then edit the Finish page. The Finish page displays to the customer after the order is concluded and usually says something like, "Thank you for your order," or "You'll receive an order confirmation email," and other pertinent information. Credit cards, PayPal Express, and Google Checkout require you to configure the payment gateway with your login and key for these services. For credit card payments, click on Configure, select which cards you will accept, then select your gateway from the drop-down list. Then enter your login, API key, and other credentials. This is the same for PayPal Express and Google Checkout. Payment options can be confusing. Look for help in the How This Works sections at the bottom of the pages. The Countries page controls the drop-down list of countries that your customers will choose from when they check out. You can select the countries you wish to sell to and deselect those countries that you do not wish to do business with. On the Order Notifications email page, you can enter an email address for new order notifications. If an email address is entered, you'll receive a notice every time you make a sale. If this tab is blank, you will not receive email notifications of new orders and will manage your orders from the administrative console instead. On the Checkout Terms page, you can create separate checkout terms and conditions depending on the method of payment. Customers automatically acknowledge the terms as a prerequisite to checkout. OrderStorm stores the checkout terms with each order. If you change your terms, they will only apply to new orders. Old orders will retain a record of the terms the customer agreed to at the time of sale. The Tax Tables page allows you to set tax rates for specific areas around the globe. Select your country first, then edit the rates per area. Now that you've configured your store, you're ready to add vendors, products, and categories. For detailed step-by-step instructions, remember to see the user manual on the OrderStorm.com website. Happy selling!